So sitting comfortably in your chair, all the way back, so that your sit bones are as far back as possible and your hands are on your legs to begin with. Let's just take a moment here. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, inhale through the nose. My eyes are still open, by the way. Exhale through the mouth, j'expire par la bouche. J'inspire par le nez. J'expire par la bouche. Okay, one more like this. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Okay, all right. And now if you just want to breathe in and out through the nose, you're more than welcome to do that. Or if you need to focus your attention, sometimes breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth is a good way to kind of focus the attention as well. But you're welcome to just breathe through the nose. Okay, on commence en prenant le pouce. We're going to start by holding our thumb and we're resting our hands on our lap. And remember, we're going to go through each of the fingers. I'm going to tell you when to change. Je vais vous dire quand changer. And we're going to think, where do I feel easeful in my body? And then alternate, where do I feel at ease in my neck? Et on commence, où est-ce que je sens à l'aise dans le corps? Où est-ce que je sens à l'aise dans le cou? Okay, so here we go. Let's close our eyes. On ferme les yeux. And now you can either inhale through the nose or exhale through the mouth. On peut inspirer par le nez, expirer par la bouche. Or you can just breathe through the nose. Ou on peut juste respirer par le nez. Here we go with the first question. On commence. Where do I feel at ease in my body? Où est-ce que je sens à l'aise dans mon corps? And remember, it could be anywhere in your body. Ça peut être n'importe où dans le corps. It doesn't matter how big, doesn't matter how small, doesn't matter how strange. Peu importe la grandeur. And then we're going to change fingers. On change les doigts. I'm holding my index, je tiens l'index. Second question, l'autre question. Où est-ce que je sens à l'aise dans mon cou? Where do I feel at ease in my neck? Maybe it's the front of the neck, maybe it's in the back, maybe it's the sides. And even if you don't find a spot, it's enough to just ask the question. C'est assez de juste demander la question. Where do I feel at ease in my neck? Où est-ce que je sens à l'aise dans le cou? And we're going to change. On prend l'autre doigt. So I'm holding the middle finger. Je tiens le doigt au milieu. Where do I feel at ease in my body? Où est-ce que je sens à l'aise dans mon corps? Keep alternating between the two questions. On alterne entre les deux questions. Doesn't matter where you feel it in your body. Maybe it's your big toe. Maybe it's the tip of your nose. Maybe it's your whole leg. Doesn't matter. And we're going to change. On va changer, second to last finger. On tient l'autre doigt. Where do I feel at ease in my neck? Où est-ce que je sens à l'aise dans mon cou? So we're slowly refining our attention. On essaie de raffiner notre attention, de viser notre attention. Your neck is a smaller area to observe. So your attention needs to be more astute. Et on change, and you change, holding the last finger. On tient le petit doigt. Where do I feel at ease in my body? Where do I feel at ease anywhere in the body? Où est-ce que je sens à l'aise? N'importe où dans le corps. Let's change hands. On prend le pouce de l'autre main, holding the thumb of the other hand. Where do I feel at ease in my neck? Où est-ce que je sens à l'aise dans mon cou? Let's open our eyes now. On va ouvrir les yeux. And we want to keep that observation going. And now we're going to change our fingers. On change les doigts. Where do I feel at ease in my body? Où est-ce que je sens à l'aise dans mon corps? And your eyes are open now, so you have to be in two places at once. And that is the challenge. C'est ça le défi, être en deux places en même temps. And change, on change. Where do I feel at ease in my neck? Où est-ce que je sens à l'aise dans mon cou? You just do the best you can. And now we're going to change again. On change encore. Where do I feel at ease in my body? Où est-ce que je sens à l'aise dans mon corps? And then last finger, le petit doigt. Where do I feel at ease in my neck? Où est-ce que je sens à l'aise dans le cou? Okay. All right, let's shake it out. Okay. Any comments or questions about that? Est-ce qu'on a des questions ou des commentaires?